Going to number 8, and this is very important when it comes to the taxation of federal student loans that could be forgiven sometime in 2025 or after 2025 when it would then be taxable. It says, and I quote, defendants agree that for their internal purposes, the date a borrower becomes eligible to have their loans canceled under the IBR, ICR, or pay plans constitutes the effective date of their loan discharge. Going down to subpoint A, says defendants agree not to file an Internal Revenue Service Form 1099-C for a borrower who becomes eligible for discharge in 2025 if the conditions in IRS Notice 2022-1 are met, end quote. What does this mean? It means that the department is acknowledging that there are some people who have met the threshold for having their student loans forgiven that might not formally have their loans wiped away until 2026 or beyond. And they're saying that for their purposes, they're going to consider your loans forgiven at the date that you met the threshold, not when they're actually wiped away. And to further solidify that agreement, they're saying if your loans were due to be wiped away in 2025, but we don't wipe them away until after that point, we're going to consider that the date and we're not even going to file a 1099 with the IRS, which basically means we're not even going to inform the IRS that the debt was wiped away. So they wouldn't even have any knowledge or information they can use to send you a tax bill for those loans because they wouldn't be aware that it occurred. This is a huge deal. It takes away the concern for people who have been waiting for months and months, fretting over whether their loans will be formally wiped away in time to not have to owe taxes.